Hello there. Yep, you already know what it is. AFMG Games with another video. And this one, unboxing. Yeah, I got this new gaming headset. Y'all done ripped the box up. This is what I use. Yeah, open up. Rip the box up. So this is a gaming headset, or anything you can use it for. Premium USD sound card, Cloud 2 gaming headset. Pretty cool there. Compatible with PC, PS4, Xbox One, and mobile devices. Yeah, gotta stay protected out here. Coronavirus is everywhere. If you see Mr. or Mrs. Corona, run. Don't let them sneeze or cough on you, okay? It's no good. You have upper respiratory and all kind of stuff. But everybody stay safe out there. Make sure you sanitizing your hands. And after you use the bathroom, please wash your hands. If you got number one, wash your hands. Number two, definitely wash your hands. You know? Hey, but sometimes I don't wash my hands out of number two. I just like, I just go back to what I was doing, sitting on playing the game, eat my Doritos. No, I'm just like, anyway, let's get to this unboxing. I'm really excited. Yay. Quick start guide. Dang, I done messed it up. All right, here's the quick start guide. Pretty cool there. Panello di controllo audio imposter audio virtual sound di HyperX com dispositivo predefinito per la riproduzione e la registrazione. Yeah. All right, here we go. Get this plastic off there. Okay, so comes with the earpieces right here. Man, thankful and grateful. All right, here's this. Ooh, the metallic gray, you know? The plastic piece. What's this? Oh yeah, seasoning for the taco meat. Silica gel. Do not eat, throw away. They didn't say don't boil it. No, I'm just like, what a trash. I'll throw it out later. Okay. So the mic piece. An extra one, I think. Something. I don't know. Okay. What's this? Okay, a little carrying bag. USB cable. It's a nice little bag. Definitely can put some snacks in here. You know, honey buns and nutty buddy bars. Put some jelly beans in there. Some worms, some sour worms, you know. HyperX there. HyperX. All right, I think that's really it. What's this? HyperX has you covered. Got issues with your HyperX product? Contact our experienced team for quick response and support. Visit us at hypergaming.com/support. HyperX. We're all gamers. Anyway, I think that's it. Cool. I'm about to use it. Check out AFMG Games. Playing video games. Hey, everybody playing video games, you know? So, I've been playing video games. I came out the womb with a PlayStation controller in my hand, you know? I was born playing video games. Yeah, I'm not smoking a cigar, though. I don't smoke. Look at that gold, too. All right, anyway, yeah, here we go.